So I know I haven't really done a vlog lately that hasn't been silent. So I thought I would just say hi. But I'm very, very low energy right now. In fact, like I'm having a hard time just doing stuff. I did start some laundry. But that was like an hour ago. Honestly, I just want to go back to bed. Clearly, I've not gotten around for the day at all. I'm still nursing 1 cup of coffee. The thing is that sometimes I get really fixated on what I'm working on. For example, like my days are kind of not planned most of the time because I do work from home, and right now I don't have anything that's immediate, so I can kind of be free with my time. But when I do have something to do, like right now I'm kind of waiting for a couple things to click in. But the last couple of days I've been working on a Halloween projection show, putting that together in After Effects. And I did do a few things like a couple days ago. I did do a few things before I sat down and worked. But once I started working, I ended up staying up late. And then yesterday I ended up mostly working on that. And I just kind of drained myself. And today that's how I feel. I feel completely drained. And like today's a beautiful day. I can see it outside. I'm looking out the window right now. I can see it. It looks beautiful. And I thought about going for a walk, but I feel like I just have no energy. So what did I do instead? The last hour or so I've spent watching videos on YouTube. And that happens, and I love YouTube for that reason. But I definitely did not stop myself and just went down a rabbit hole. And I'm kind of, I don't know why, I feel like kind of hesitant to go outside. I really haven't been hiking the last couple of weeks. I haven't been hiking consistently since I got lost. And it's silly because I enjoy going out, but now I just feel like I don't have the energy. And I feel like my efforts should be going towards something else. Except for right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything, and I'm just kind of wasting right now. Or what should you say, like rotting? I'm definitely rotting right now. So I'm going to give this a couple more minutes. And then I'm going to do a very good stretch. And start moving. That's the plan. Cheers. I'm beautiful. I know, sweetheart. It's just one of those days, huh? It's just one of those days. Did I move your foot? Yeah. Papa, I love you. I love you, pouty face. Yeah. Should we get up? What do you think? Get up? Yeah. Okay. Oh, big stretches. Okay, babe. Big stretches. Oh, okay. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Where you going? Where you going? You want a cookie? What's this? What's this right here? Good girl. Good girl. So I'm back home, and today went a little bit better than I expected. I'm feeling a little bit better than how I was this morning. I definitely went through a phase where I had a little bit more energy, and now I'm back to not so much energy, which is kind of not good for focus, but it's good because I'll be sitting down, so hopefully I can refocus my brain to do a little bit of work. After we talked earlier, I did some laundry. I decided, well, if I take a shower, then maybe I'll feel better, and so that's what I did. I started getting ready to go for a hike because I thought I'm just gonna make myself go for like 10 minutes. But when I got done, I had a work call, and that lasted for a little while, so I kept getting myself around. I ended up doing a little bit of makeup, which I've since like rubbed off half of it because my eyes were really bothering me with allergies and stuff. So after the call, I did a little bit of paperwork for work, and then I decided to go to Target because I need to pick up some medicine for our puppy. So I got that, and I got some more allergy medicine for myself, although I did forget something. I always forget something. The only good part about that is I have been meaning to get a few things like care items like toothpaste and a new conditioner because I was pretty much at the bottom of mine, and the only conditioner that I have left over is like a 2-for-1 or a 2-in-1, and it really has messed up my hair. Like, my hair's been unnaturally super wiry and tangly, and that 2-in-1 for some reason makes it even worse. So I just went ahead and I ended up getting another conditioner, which is awesome. I do have another shampoo, so I'm good there. But standalone conditioner, I got. So I got that. I got more toothpaste. I got some other personal items that I needed, and I don't know, I got to look at some of their Halloween decor. So that was fun. I love looking and shopping for Halloween stuff, but I really have not, like this I got last year or the year before. I think maybe the year before. It is from Target, but I got I think a year before. And yeah, I don't know. There's something about items this year that are just kind of, it's still fun to look, but I don't know if I would actually buy them. If I had the money to put towards it, I don't know if I would buy it, which has gotten me thinking about different craft ideas that I want to do. But we'll see. We'll see. I tried to make a Halloween lanyard that out of felt the last time, and I realized I haven't made anything out of felt in a couple of years. Not really. I mean, I don't know. It's hit or miss when I do make something, but I guess it's been a while since I've made anything, and I just really didn't like how it turned out. Some of it's kind of cute, but it's definitely not what I was hoping for. So my mind has been reeling with different ideas, and usually that comes from browsing at different stores. So it's a little bit of a tangent, but I thought I'd throw that in there. So yeah, I did that run. I picked up some mail from the other house because right now we're still in a rental. And now I'm back, and now I'm going to settle in for the night. And Butternut is begging me to get up on the couch so she can have her nap. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to get to work. Oh, what I'm working on. I'm working on another Halloween house projection show tonight, which should be a little bit fun. It should be fun. So I'm going, I know, my puppy's getting very demanding right now, but I'm looking forward to that. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging in there throughout my chaotic brain dysfunction. And I hope that me putting myself out there at least shows you guys that you're not alone if you're going through something similar. If you're having hard days or just having a tough time getting started or wanting to do something or be motivated, know that you're not alone, because I'm clearly here with you. Okay. I am struggling, but it helps knowing that you're not alone. And I mean, just look at my day. I thought I was not going to be able to do anything today other than forcing myself to work. And I managed to have a little bit of good outdoor time. It was kind of outdoorsy. I did an errand. So, you can turn yourself around a little bit. I don't know if that makes any sense, but just know that you're not alone. And I'm here for you guys. Leave me a comment below if you have any suggestions as far as, oh my gosh, she's going so demanding. If you have any suggestions as far as what things you're watching this season, my nightcap tonight is probably going to be Addams Family. Come here. No, come here. Okay. She's so awkward. So yeah, tonight I'm probably going to watch Addams Family, which is one that holds a dear place in my heart, But please let me know down below if you have any suggestions on what I should watch next, or what I should try to make with my felt, because clearly my decorations are not turning out great so far. All right, we'll say goodnight. We'll say goodbye until the next video. Thank you for watching. Yeah? You look so awkward, Butternut. Is it just you or is it me? Thank you for watching. See you next time.